Central Alabama has been bracing for this snow as well as snow continues to make its way throughout Alabama. State agencies are stationed and ready to rush out.
State Capitol reporter Ryan Hall joins us now live from Montgomery with how it's looking. Ryan, do you see any flakes out there yet?
So I will say there's not any flakes right now, but it definitely was coming down a little bit earlier. Looks like a winter wonderland here in the capital city. Not every part of the state received the same amount of snow, but that isn't stopping our state agencies and even the military from responding.
So I'm actually a Mobile native. This is more snow than I've seen in my lifetime. The last time I saw snow of this amount, I think I was 10 years old.
Major Adam Yunker is serving with the Alabama National Guard on the Mobile Mobility Support Team. He says they are checking roads for motorists who may need help.
We've helped a few get unstuck and back on their way. If we're able to give them help, we are giving them help immediately. Fortunately, we haven't seen very many. We are stressing that if you don't need to be on the road, please don't.
The Alabama Department of Transportation has the same message. James Gordon with ALDOT says they've been plowing interstates down south.
The most important thing to realize is that we've pre-treated the right lanes on the interstates and on state routes, aside from all the bridges and overpasses. So if you're going to travel, you need to stay in those right lanes.
Gordon says they do have concerns going into this evening.
This snow, once the sun comes out, will melt, and then that could refreeze in the evening hours and the early morning hours and become ice. And that's where things could get dangerous.
And Lieutenant Jeremy Burkett with the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency says emergency operations centers are running around the state. These are made up of ALDOT, the National Guard, and other first responders to winter weather. Even if your part of the state didn't get any snow, he says the cold temps are worth preparing for.
There's just inherently some residual risk left over from just cold weather. So that's one of the things that we want people to be aware of, because again, once it gets down in the teens, you need to make sure, whether you're in a vehicle, whether it be your home, that you're doing things to keep yourself safe.
Lieutenant Burkett does say that mechanical failures are the one thing that drivers don't plan for when it comes to that cold weather. He says you should always be prepared. We'll keep you updated as the weather continues to unfold here in the capital city tonight. In Montgomery, Ryan Hall, WDAT News for the Wiregrass.